Good afternoon, guys. How are you? Did you miss me? I missed you. I realised that Mum's medicine's not been given, the one and only one. So yeah, I have emailed the doctor today. I believe get it tomorrow. I think they did say they're closed on Monday, but so I think it'll be Tuesday when they'll get it. So crossing my fingers that Mum's okay, he says. So yeah. But I thought that was on the list, her depressing medicine, but it's not, which is so annoying. I know they need to cut it off, but not completely. Oh, I don't know. And then I suddenly see, right, that I unblocked my own email, so which is like, what? Why would I do that? Well, at least I fixed it, so it's fine. It is fine. Oh, my neck. It is sore. Literally sore. But I think if I have one drink, it should get better. So 49 is due. So I was thinking to catch two buses. I thought I'll get here on time for the 33, but I didn't. So the 49 is coming now. So I'll see you this evening, guys. See you later. Bye. I have to go to work. Worst day ever. Good evening, everyone. How are you? Did you miss me? Because I missed you. So it's nearly 2:30, but I just finished the show called Celebrity. Forget the mess of the background. That's me. Anyway, right. That got me to think, right, a lot. Thinking that to be a celebrity, you have to do all these stages to become a famous social media. And I'm like, I want to be honest, but I don't want to be someone else's parasite. If I have to be, I want to be my own parasite. Sorry, but seeing that using somebody else to go really high up kind of makes it a bit shallow as well. But also, you have no choice. That's a shortcut, like being famous. But there are a few who do really well. I do feel proud of them, but seeing that kind of made me feel what made people to think that they could do that kind of stuff. Like, they can be making brands out of anything, but because you could buy it yourself, you know what I mean? It's not like you have no problem with purchasing those stuff, right? If you can afford it, why not just buy it? That's it. I'll say Koreans or Chinese or Japan. I don't know which side the show is. If it's Korean, I have to say this, right? Are you mad? Really, are you mad? Like, seriously, these people are ready to kill each other. Just say that. Doesn't show that, yeah, there are a few other countries who are like that as well, but at least they're being base about it. As Koreans, they're not. They think that, they don't know that we hate them inside. Kind of makes it look like, are you stupid? We could see on your face that you hate them. Why can't you not just say you hate them? You know what I mean? Anyway, this is not about me trying to be famous or anything, but I rather want to be my own parasite. So if I ever be famous, and if I do a collab with anyone, which I don't, which I won't, maybe I would, but obviously deciding that, is it worth it or not? Because watching that show kind of got me to think, is it worth it? Is it worth to risk your life to become a celebrity? Is it worth to make a business, your name brand, so big that a lot of people wants to use you or make you big? But I've seen that if you wear fashionable clothes or making yourself look nice and beautiful, the most important thing, skincares and everything. Still need to do my mask though. Thought I'd do that after vlog. Because as you can see, my face is cracking already and I think I got some blackheads. So I'm going to use that spatula you know, the mask spatula. See, my tongue likes to twist. It only does that when it wants me to not to say it. Anyway, the mask spatula that I purchased from Temu, I'm going to use that and see how it goes. Hopefully it makes a smooth pour. Because I don't wash my hand every time. Only when I have to, but yeah. Anyway, have you seen this drink before? It's Coke Zero with Oreo. And it's zero sugar. I'm not gonna lie, I have tried it. I think it tastes good, but this has not been near the fridge all day, because the one I had before was close to the fridge and it had cold in it. So this is me trying it with that coldness. Could be chance it will taste horrible, or it might even be more amazing as before. So let's go. Oh my god, that's a huge. But to tell you the truth, it's like my size as well. Oh, actually, it's near my. If I didn't have that double chin, it would be my head size. Anyway, cheers, everyone. No, it tastes the same. That's all I've been having. The first time I had it and finished it, I have been burping a lot. And that is like, ooh. I usually never burp that much. Trust me, I was like burping for like 2-3 minutes since I finished this drink. To tell you the truth, I still like it. It doesn't have that creamy texture I expected to have. I did tell my boss it's 9 out of 10. And I was like, whoa, you get really high rate. Tell you the truth, I tell you what, it doesn't taste too sugary how Oreo is. Like, Oreo is full of sugar, like literally full of sugar. But if Oreo was like zero sugar like this, I would eat it. Like, it would not make me like, you know, sick later on, like not too much sugar kind of thing. I don't know. Does a lot of people feel the same like me, who likes less sugar? Even though I am a sweet person, I like to have my sugar, but you know me. But still, there are some things you think that's gonna like over, you know, you're gonna get fed up with it, and you're like, oh no, no more. But I'll say this is great. It's less sugary, tastes like Oreo, like that. It has the Oreo taste, but the only problem is that it doesn't have the Coke Zero taste. Like, I don't taste the Coke Zero at all. That's why it's 9 out of 10. Pardon me, guys. I am literally gassing out. This is really literally gassing me out. And I still not finished it yet. Wow. Oh. I feel the weird shivering. Like something like shivered me. But yeah. I might get more of these if there was no ban of Coca-Cola. Sorry, I know that we're trying to say Palestine, but come on, you have to taste it. It's really great. It's something unique, okay? And it's like out of the box of taste. Think about it, it turned out to be like latte in Coke Zero. Think about that. Or cappuccino in Coke Zero. Could it be like that? You don't know. If they could make Oreo on Coke Zero, so think about coffee and Coke Zero. It'll be like a next level of challenge of trying out next type of caffeine. But obviously, less sugar. You know what I mean? I don't like coffee without sugar though. something like, oh, I could remember I had cappuccino, my first time cappuccino, right? It was in the hospital. I think we were waiting for someone. I can't remember what it was. I think one of my cousins was born that time, and we were bored. And I was like, oh, as I said, burp burp. So yeah, I was like, yeah, I wanted a drink something, and there was just a coffee machine there. So we were like, okay, I'm gonna try cappuccino. Like it was like I was still like a teenager type thing, so whew, I thought I was gonna burp there. Anyway, yeah. No, I think it was my brothers or mom. I can't remember. It's one of their appointments anyway. And yeah, we were just waiting. It was me, my sister, and my dad. We were in the waiting room. So yeah, I thought, why not try cappuccino? And trust me, the worst experience ever. Like the worst taste ever. I still drank it all, but I was like, never again. And tell you the truth, I never did. Except I tried chocolate cappuccino. That was nice. It was the Thornton. Was it called Thornton? Thornton's chocolates. You know how they used to have coffee chocolates. So I used to have cappuccino one. Used to taste nice there, but that cappuccino drink killed my taste. And I'm thinking, why no? Oh my goodness. I had coffee. Like I don't know if the latte or the eggs. Like, is coffee just espresso? Just want to know. Is that just the coffee itself, or is it, you know, latte? And you have all these names for coffee, and you're like, I don't know, it's just basic coffee. So is it just espresso then? Is it? Hopefully yes. Anyway, I need to finish it before I end the vlog because I want to throw it away and yeah, and get ready to sleep. Oh, tell you the truth, I might not do the mask tonight either. I might do it tomorrow afternoon after thinking after. No, actually, I'm going to shower tomorrow afternoon. I'm going to try and cut my nails tomorrow as well. Look how big they are. So annoying. And they look like they're dying as well. Look at this horrible. It's horrible. I think this is making me a bit more space. Anyway, let's chat until we finish this. Because I don't want to leave it overnight where the bugs are walking by. And I don't want a bug. Coke Zero Oreo in my life. Oh, how about here? Somewhere here. Oh, won't be able to finish it, but let's try, right? Oh, anyway, how was your day? Because my work day was, trust me, I was this close to like calling in sick. But I was like, you know what? Just go in. I'll get paid if I do the hours I need to work. Can't wait till it goes 4 days again. Because trust me, doing 5 days is terrible. And it's like too much to handle. You know what I mean? And so what's I gonna say? And so work's not being, it wasn't that bad, but it's not that good at the same time. I don't know, guys. I don't wanna know if you play me, keep it on the low. Cause my heart can't take it anymore. Oh baby, please don't let it go. Oh baby, let's let it go. Oh my god. I do worry. I get so much back because like I don't sleep well. So annoying. And I need to sleep quite early because I do 1 o'clock every day basically, except Thursday of course. But the rest of the days is like 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock. It's like, Why? Why would you do that to me? Come on. I don't like doing 1 o'clock shifts. Ugh. Oh no, guys. I do need to shower though. I could feel my body is like saying, you need to shower, you need to shower, you need to clean yourself better. Don't worry, that's why I got so much body wash so that when it comes to shower day, I can shower. Have less filthy feeling. Anyway, I have covered myself well, haven't I? There you go. You need to hide. You know the, what do you call bra? That's it. The bra from TikTok, right? It's too big on me. Like literally since I wore it, right? My whole back fat is like gone down. It's like, whoa, what's happening? It's just my back fat literally went down. And I tell you the truth, it's not too much down, but it's like literally doesn't fit me as well. I might have to like pull it down and everything. Oh my god, my battery's dying. 10% already. Oh my god. 10% already? Oh. Anyway, let's try to finish it before you die on me, because I need it. Well, I don't need it, but you know what I mean. Think about if kids drink this, right? There may be caffeine in it. Maybe. Is there any caffeine? I could see sweetener. I don't see the word oh wait, there is caffeine in it. So, caffeine flavor. So think about it. A kid who cannot take sugar, like diabetic or just doesn't like sugar itself. Because I know my cousin doesn't like chocolate, so anyway, so yeah. If they go for this drink, right? Coke Zero Oreo. Would they go for it, do you think? Because think about it. It is sugar free. Literally sugar free. And it tastes great. How many people have so much sugar in their tea, coffee, or whatever they need? Because think about it. If you didn't have the sugar, do you think you'll survive? Do you think the caffeine itself would help you to stay awake? That's a question I have for you. Ooh, that's too low. Anyone so it tastes great. There's none in there. Woohoo, we're finished, guys. I had too much to drink, actually. I had water before this. I don't know why I had taken this challenge. But tell you the truth, I want you to see my reaction to drinking this, because it would be original. Doesn't matter I drank it before, but as I said, without coldness, it tastes great. But too gassy though. It could be the caffeine that makes me gassy. Anyway, I apologize, pardon me, and I am so rude. I excuse myself, so Alpha, take care, like and subscribe, and hopefully tomorrow busy today will be a better day, and hopefully we have a good day tomorrow. Let's go.